Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Environment and Development Week 7 Assignment 7. So the first question is the Environment Protection Act came into existence in dash. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first Environment Protection Act 1981. So the answer of our first question is A 1981. Now the second question is when did the Land Acquisition Act for Resettlement and Rehabilitation come into existence? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, Land Acquisition Act LAA of 1894, a colonial law brought into practice by the then British government. So the answer of our second question is B, 1894. Now the third question is what is the most important critique against displacement? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, the most important critique against displacement is the injustice involved in the involuntary removal of disadvantages people from their homes and land. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is which Indian state is home to the Sharishka Tiger Reserve? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, Sharishka Tiger Reserve, Alwar, Rajasthan. So the answer of our fourth question is A, Rajasthan. Now the fifth question is the National Environment Policy Act was implemented in dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, ELA as a mandatory regulatory procedure originated in the early 1970s with the implementation of the National Environment Policy Act 1969 in the US. So the answer of our fifth question is D, 1969. Now the sixth question is who come up with the idea of forest conservation? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, Dan Brockington calls fortress conservation 2002. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is which step in environmental impact assessment recommends action to reduce and avoid the adverse environment consequence of development activities? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, mitigation. This step in ELA recommends the action to reduce and avoid the potential adverse environmental consequences of development activities. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is who are the stakeholders in the environmental impact assessment process? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eighth, stakeholders in the process. Those who propose the project, the environmental consultant who prepare ELA on behalf of proponent, pollution control board, state or national. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is who claim that displacement carried out for development purposes or are invariable permanent. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, unlike some of the effects of natural disaster or wars, displacement undertaken for development purposes is always permanent. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now the tenth question is when did environmental impact assessment begin in India? So these are the option. And let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10, environmental impact assessment began in India in 1976-77, EIA. So the answer of EIA is C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.